Get ready to change your clocks because daylight saving time begins tomorrow. In the early hours of Sunday morning, clocks will spring ahead 1 hour. The shift comes at 2 a.m. local time and doesn't set back until November 7th. Two states do not participate, so as a reminder, go play weather trivia. And the 2 times a year we change our clocks is also a reminder to change the batteries in smoke detectors. Duluth Fire Captain Dan Smith says some fire alarm batteries last around 10 years, but it's best to change them every 6 years. Replacing batteries now can prevent disaster in the future.
We go to structure fires where there were not working detectors. Working smoke detectors can reduce the chance of death in a house fire by up to half, up to 50%. So they're a very important life-saving device.
It's also a good idea to check your fire extinguisher for corrosion.